This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Drive. Zoho Drive offers a robust cloud solution for all your document management needs. To begin, simply log into your Zoho account and navigate to the Drive application. You'll find a clean, intuitive interface designed for easy navigation, allowing you to quickly locate your personal files, team folders, and any items shared with you. It's your central hub for digital assets. Now, let's get your files into Zoho Drive. You can effortlessly upload documents or even entire folders directly from your computer using a simple drag-and-drop method. To keep things tidy, create new folders for different projects or categories. Renaming files and folders is also straightforward, ensuring your workspace remains perfectly organized and easy to navigate for everyone involved. Collaboration is a core strength of Zoho Drive. You can easily share any file or folder with colleagues by entering their email addresses. Crucially, you control access by setting permissions, choosing between view-only, edit, or comment access. This ensures data security while fostering teamwork. You can even collaborate on documents in real time, seeing updates instantly, which boosts productivity significantly. Beyond the basics, Zoho Drive offers powerful features. Every document has a version history, letting you revert to any previous edit, providing peace of mind. For offline access, sync your Drive files to your desktop, ensuring automatic updates. Don't forget the mobile app, which allows you to manage and access all your files conveniently from any location. It's a comprehensive solution for your digital workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.